Abdo Kids, Cats, Himalayan Cats by Grace Hansen, Abdo Publishing Company. Himalayan Cats. The Himalayan cat is the perfect mix of two breeds. It has the full and fluffy coat of a Persian cat, and it has the pointed markings of a Siamese cat. A Himalayan cat's head is round with a flat face. It has big, round blue eyes. Its ears are small. This cat has a sturdy body. The body is supported by short, thick legs. Himalayans have long, full coats. They come in many colors. Cream, brown, and seal are just a few colors. All Himalayans are pointed. Some have dark points. Others have points so light that they are hard to see. Grooming. Himalayans need to be brushed daily. They often need their eyes carefully wiped clean. Personality. These cats are usually very calm. They can be found lounging on chairs and sofas. Himalayans sometimes have bursts of energy. 1 minute they are sitting, and the next minute they are running around the room. These lovely cats are kind toward everyone. They like to play with toys and people. They are happiest sitting with their owners. More facts. Himalayans have thick coats all year around. Air-conditioned homes are very important to keep them cool. Daily brushing is needed because the long fur tangles easily. Grooming a Himalayan is easy because they love to be clean. In England, Himalayans are called color point Persians.